We are on to our first step of our post-production process here in film and video. Our step number 1 is file management. You're going to end up creating a project folder, naming it correctly, adding in those folders inside. Let's get started. In order to do this, you have your desktop and your mouse. You're going to zoom down to the bottom. You're going to look for your Finder. Your Finder is that guy, that little blue face down there. You're going to click on that. This allows you to navigate to all the files that are on that desktop application or the laptop that you're on right now. We're going to go to Documents right here, and you're going to go ahead and just first play around with the different views that you can. See, we have our icon view, we have a list view, and we have a column view. I tend to like the column view, but list view works as well, and if you're an icon person, go for it. So here in my column view, I'm going to go ahead and create a new file. So new file. I can go ahead and click this little icon over here. I can also go all the way up to the top left and look for the main file option, and there's a new folder there. The last way to do this is you can right click or hold down your control and click, and your drop down menu will give you your new folder option there as well. That's my preferred way of doing it. You figure out what you like best. We're going to have an untitled folder that's going to show up here. We need to rename it. So you're going to either right click or control click on it, get your drop down menu, and click rename. We're going to title this period, whatever period class you're in. We're going to pretend you're in period 8, and then your full name. So full student name. And I'm going to just put demo on here so I know this is the one I'm working with right now. You're going to hit enter or return wherever you are. Now I'm going to go to list view. If I go back to list view, date modified, it will show that I'm at the top. If I click date modified, it's going to filter by the date that the file was created. So newest to oldest, here's my period 8 with my full student name and demo. So that is now going to be your project folder, or your folder for this class. Okay, so period 8, your name, and demo. Here I'm going to double click inside of it. Great. We're going to start off every single Premiere Pro project in post-production with a project folder. This is going to allow you to keep all of your files organized. So we're going to, again, create a new folder, and we're going to title it project dash, and then whatever the project is that you have. So this might be, let's see, right now we're doing a fake newscast. Okay, so project fake newscast, and just because we're on shared machines and in a school, you're going to go ahead and put your name again. Name. Okay, so we have project. We know it's a project folder. Then we have what type of project it is, which is fake newscast, and then we're going to have your name right there. Full name would be best. There we go. Full name. Perfect. So we have our project folder set up. We're going to double click in there, and we're going to create a file structure. We're going to go ahead and click file, new folder, and this is going to be video, enter, control click, new folder, audio, enter, control click, new folder. We have one that's called exports, and our last folder is going to be called Premiere Pro. Okay, now if I click back up on my column view and I stretch this out for you, you can see in my documents folder, I have a folder called period 8 with my full name. Then I have a project folder with the project name and my name, and then I have the 4 project folders that are important for your project folder. But that is your step 1, which is the folder and file management. And you'll see that's extremely important when we're starting off our post-production.